Supporters of the African Democratic Congress and residents of Ijebu East and Ogun waterside were excited as they welcomed the former governor of Ogun State and Senator representing Ogun Central Ibikunle Amosun, the ADC governorship candidate Biyi Otegbeye, and his running mate Olatunde Awonuga to their community. Senator Ibikunle Amosun, while addressing ADC supporters in Ogun waterside, says it is their turn to our first ever deputy governor for development of the waterside area.
Let us all come out en masse on Saturday next week, 18th of March, to cast our vote. You know the logo, the symbol of the party. When you see two people shaking hands, please ensure that you make sure that you just thumbprint. Okay? By the grace of God, we are still going to come back here to come and rejoice with you, to come and celebrate with you.
The ADC governorship candidate Biyi Otegbeye wants the people of the area to vote massively for ADC, promising them dividends of democracy.
Giving us assurance that they are going to support their sons fully, because for the first time, Ogun waterside is having a deputy governorship candidate.
The campaign train touched Ijebu Ode, Ijebu Mushin, Owu Ijebu, Ijebu Itele, Iwopin, Oni, Ibiade, Abigi, and Efiri, where they urged the electorate to support the ADC governorship and House of Assembly candidates.